Typhoon Jangmi is wreaking havoc across the Pacific coast, with linear rain bands appearing one after another on the 3rd. In Inagi City, Tokyo, water overflowed from a sewer manhole at an intersection, causing traffic restrictions. According to Inagi City officials and the Metropolitan Police Department, rainwater flowed into the sewer manhole around 8 a.m., causing the water to overflow and partially flood the road. Traffic restrictions remain in place at the location, with city officials directing traffic and restoration work by contractors is scheduled to begin later. There are currently no injuries and no stalled vehicles have been found. The incident occurred at an intersection about 200 meters from Keio Yomiuri Station. Active rain clouds associated with Typhoon number 6 made a direct hit on the Tokyo metropolitan area. Linear rain bands formed over eastern Kanagawa Prefecture before noon, and the risk of life-threatening disasters is rapidly increasing. The peak of the heavy rain will continue until before noon in the Tokai region and into the early afternoon in the Kanto region. Beware of flooding in low-lying areas and underground facilities, as well as river overflows. Major Typhoon number 6 is forecast to move toward the Kanto coast. A front is extending to the east of the typhoon, and active rain clouds are present on its eastern flank. As of 9 a.m., active rain clouds were covering Shizuoka Prefecture and the Kanto region, and heavy rain reached its peak. A linear rain band formed in Izu, Shizuoka Prefecture, this morning. A linear rain band also formed in eastern Kanagawa Prefecture before noon, and the risk of life-threatening disasters is rapidly increasing. Please ensure your safety immediately. In Tokyo, the risk of flooding is increasing, with a level 4 flood warning issued for rivers such as the Meguro River and the Kanda River. Heavy rain will continue until noon in the Tokai region and into the afternoon in the Kanto region. Beware of flooding in low-lying areas and underground facilities, as well as river overflows. The rain will gradually subside starting in the evening, but rivers may overflow and landslides may occur after the rain stops. Stay away from hazardous areas until the warning is lifted. Overland flooding refers to inundation caused by heavy rainfall that overflows the land in urban areas. This is more likely to occur in urban areas where much of the land is paved with asphalt or similar materials. Overland flooding is different from external flooding, which occurs when water from a large river overflows its banks. Overland flooding occurs when rainfall exceeds the drainage capacity of drainage canals and irrigation canals, or when the water level of the river, the main stream, through which the water is discharged rises, causing rainwater that has nowhere to drain to overflow into urban areas. Water can overflow not only from rivers and irrigation canals, but also from manholes. Compared to external flooding, overland flooding generally tends to result in shallower inundation, but damage can occur quickly, and flooding can occur even in areas far from rivers. Local governments sometimes develop hazard maps of areas prone to overland flooding. It is important to remain regularly aware of the risks in your area. Additionally, during heavy rain, pay attention to the latest weather, disaster, and evacuation information on television, radio, and the internet. Evacuate early if you feel the situation is dangerous. Floodwater currents can be strong and make walking difficult. In such cases, staying in a tall, sturdy building is an emergency measure.